Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So this product is available online, and I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a cordless variable sander. I absolutely love this thing for various sanding jobs around the house, especially when redoing pieces of furniture, restaining, repainting, and all that fun stuff. So this is by a company called DEWALT, and this is their XR series. And like I said, it runs on the basically cordless. You don't have to plug this thing in anymore. You just simply grab the batteries. And if you have the other DEWALT batteries, it works really well. So this does come in multiple versions, one that comes with the battery and one without. I got the one without, so you can get which whenever you want, but I basically have tons of batteries, so I don't need it. Now the battery is just gonna slide here in on the bottom. Just go ahead and push down the button, pull out. Very, very easy to use. Go ahead and slide it back in. And like I said, they're the standard batteries that basically, the ion batteries that you can use on all the DEWALT applications. Naturally, it's gonna come with a user manual that tells you about it, but we're covering a lot of the features here in the video. So as you can see, it's nice and compact and small. I'll give you an idea of the size. It's about 8 3/4 inches long by 6 1/4 inches wide and about 5 3/4 inches in height here. Now you are going to notice here at the end, it does have the little bag to collect the sand dust. If you have a system where you want to hook this up directly to where it is funneled out, you can just do that as well. It comes off and removes, so very easy to flex whatever you want and whatever your setup is. As far as the actual spot that you're going to put the sandpaper, nice low profile up to 1/4 inch thick sheets, and this is a 5-inch diameter, and obviously it has the 8 little hook and loop holes and everything. So once again, just attaches Velcro. Very, very easy to go ahead and get your different coarse sandpapers on and basically switch out for whatever task and job you are utilizing. Now, I mentioned this is a variable speed sander, which is absolutely great from whether you are stripping any paint off of something or just fine tuning and doing finishing work. You're gonna basically have option 1 through 7, very easy to use dial. Just go ahead and select your option. On the low end, you're looking at about 8,000 OPMs, and on the high end, you're looking at about 12,000 OPMs. Very easy. Right next to that is the button. Simply go ahead and press that, and it'll turn it down. And as you can see, very easy to adjust that dial while it is running and everything. So very, very easy to use. Now also the grip itself, it's got a nice rubber coating here, makes it very easy to hold, very stable when basically utilizing it and working it. So overall, very, very pleased with the sander. If you are looking for a nice cordless solution to tackle all your tasks, I'm really pleased with the DEWALT sander here. If you are in the market, highly recommend checking this one out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.